What's up, y'all? It's NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is another That Nap Life video. On the last Nap Life video, we talked about moisture versus hydration. Today, I'm going to show you what I do to my hair when it reaches minimal hydration. Hopefully, you remember that term from the last video. So if you want to know what I like to do, then keep watching. NappyFu checking in. Let go. All right, let's get right into it, y'all. Welcome back. On the last That Nap Life video, talked about moisture versus hydration. I encourage you to watch this video, then come back to this one. So we're going to get right into it. I want to show you what I do to my hair whenever it reaches minimal hydration. Hopefully y'all remember what I mean by that. That means that my hair has not been completely depleted of all hydration, but it is almost there, and I want to save it while I can. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show today, y'all. And what I do, I simply use the LOC method. So yeah, my tools is water, which is dehydration, a carrier oil, whipped shea butter, and a cream of your choice. I tend to use a leave-in conditioner or a creamy moisturizer. So let's start it off. H2O, that's the way to go. H2O, I say that's the way to go. I'm coming. Okay, let me stop. Sorry. H2O, y'all, equals hydration. That's how you stay hydrated. You already know that that's really what you're supposed to be using, because when you're thirsty, you do what? You drink water. Hopefully you drink water and not Coke, okay? Same thing for your hair. When it's not hydrated, it needs some water, you know, some agua. So right now my hair is at minimal hydration, but the goal is maximum hydration. When does one really reach maximum hydration? It's on wash day. This is not my wash day, so I'm going to try to get it as close to maximum hydration as I can. After I have my hydration going, I use a moisturizer. So I like to use an oil, which is optional. Only reason I'm saying optional is because I also use whipped shea butter. So if your hair cannot handle oil and a butter, then choose one of the two, okay? Whenever I use oil, I do focus it on the hair, on the ends. You know, the ends are your elder, respect your elders. But I get it towards the root, and I get it on my scalp, okay? I like to oil my scalp also. So my oil of choice is usually in carrier oil, like avocado oil or almond oil. Okay, y'all? So oil definitely works best in your hair when it's accompanied or in partnership with hydration. All right, so our hydration is increasing, y'all. We're going to go ahead and make it go further by putting in a daily moisturizer. You can also use a leave-in conditioner. Can you use this by yourself without having to spritz your hair with water? You can, but in my experience, my hydration dries out quicker when I don't do it this way. Okay, but again, make this your own. Look, my hair is starting to bounce back a little bit. I have some movement compared to how it looked before. Hallelujah! Yeah. Now we have shea butter, y'all. So I just go ahead and go over everything with my whipped shea butter. If you're not gonna do the carrier oil step, you know, like I said, that's optional. You're gonna do shea butter. I don't recommend putting shea butter towards your scalp. I feel like it's a butter, so it's a bit too heavy to be all up on your scalp, which is skin, which is open pores, okay? So that's the gist of it. I just go through a heavier LOC pretty much. Hydrated with water. I use a carrier oil, which is a moisturizer, right? Which is an oil moisturizer. Then I follow up with a cream moisturizer. And then I go ahead and lock in everything with my butter, which is I guess you could say a butter moisturizer, because it does have oils in it. So what I'm learning is that oil is a moisturizer, right? It moisturizes your skin. If we're going to use it on, or it can moisturize your scalp, which is a skin, right? If we're going to use it on our hair, in my experience, and also based on my last video, I did ask y'all the question of moisturizing your hair. And a lot of y'all are also in agreement with that, with the fact that hydration works when there's water involved. Moisturization works best when there's hydration involved. So for hydration to last longer in your hair, it needs to be accompanied with some type of moisturizer, be it a cream moisturizer, be it a butter moisturizer, be it a oil moisturizer, or be all three, okay? When it comes to going from low hydration to minimum hydration to maximum hydration, the only way to truly get to maximum hydration is to have a wash day. When you're at minimum hydration, you can get back to maximum hydration. You just have to make sure that water is all up on your hair. So this is my hair all twisted up, about to go to bed, sleep, and here we are the next day. Shrinkage is real. Okay, I'm just saying. But yeah, here we are. So let me go ahead and fluff this out. I'm actually actually getting ready to go to work. So y'all gonna see me like actually get ready. Okay. Anyway, but yeah, my hair looks different, does it not? I mean, I'm just saying compared to how it was before, I got movement going on here. I can actually move my hair and it not feel stiff. I mean, look at it. On the left hand side, hydrated plus moisturized hair. On the right side, no drishan, no moist. Looks lonely. Lonely baloney. So we don't want baloney that's lonely. We just want hair that looks contorny. Let me stop. That was so corny. Anyway, so my hairstyle of choice is going to be a puff. If you've been rocking with me for a minute, you already know how I do my high puffs. So when it comes to moisture and hydration, they work hand in hand. So I hope this kind of makes some sense to y'all who's been having issues with keeping your hair moisturized. I kind of feel like keeping your hair moisturized is actually keeping your hair hydrated and moisturized. You need both of those for a successful, thriving, growth retaining from month to month, minimal breakage type of hair, natural hair journey. If one of them is missing, I mean, you can't dance like how I'm dancing right here because I'm all hydrated. I'm all moisturized. Eyes happy. Let me stop. 3 days later, I'm back at it. Hey, look at that thing. Look at that thing. Where's the moisture? Where did it run to? Where did it run to when I need it? I'm sorry. But anyway, it happens, y'all. Our hair becomes demoisturized, dehydrated again. Okay? So at this time, I can do a wash day or I can hop in that shower and do water only. I have a video about this, so make sure you check it out. The description box will have the link or click on that eye. But whenever my hydration is depleted quicker than usual, I tend to know that I need to go ahead and go through a wash day, or I might just hop in the shower and just do a water rinsing. So it kind of depends on what time I have and the state of my hair. So you have to, there's no one way to do this, y'all, but the main focus is to keep in mind moisturized hair, hydrated hair, strengthened hair. When I say strengthened, I mean that protein is good. You will have success with those three, okay? Protein, moisture balance, protein, moisture, hydration balance. You good to go. So I hate to say, but when it comes to 4C hair, we got to do things more consistently, and we have to do things properly to really see the success for our hair. For us that struggle. Now, some people have 4C hair and they don't struggle, but some of us do struggle. So in order for us to struggle less, we got to take preventative measures, right? So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Understanding the difference between moisture and hydration, I feel like is key to a successful natural hair journey. And now this brings us to today's Napchat question. I want to know from you, family, what are your tips for keeping your hair moisturized and hydrated on a busy schedule? Some of us has busy lives. You have full family to take care of, 9-to-5 job. You might not be able to do all this stuff on a regular basis. So you that's living this type of lifestyle, but you're making it work, please give us some tips in the comment box below. If you want to just list your tips, that's fine. If you have a blog you want to reference, that's perfectly fine. Just help a sister and a brother out, okay? Your input is greatly appreciated. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Until then, please remember to have healthy hair. You gotta do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were